2018 has been a year with great innovations in smartphone sector. We had phones with dual displays, popping cameras and in-display fingerprint scanners. Following on the trend, let's see what 2019 has to offer. First one is obviously 5G. Last year we were able to use 4G, which increased our internet usage. There are rumors that companies like Samsung and Xiaomi might be launching 5G enabled smartphones this year. But for iPhone users, they might not be able to use 5G this year. Anyways, we will be able to use 5G this year for sure. Last year, we have seen smartphones with dual cameras, triple cameras and even 4 cameras. This trend will be carried on to 2019 as well. This month, Nokia is planning to launch world's first penta-camera smartphone, the Nokia 9 PureView. If the rumors are right, LG is working on a smartphone with 16 cameras in it. Anyways, 2019 will be a year where the smartphone company will be implementing the multiple camera system into smartphones. Speaking of cameras, we have seen Samsung has launched Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus with world's first variable aperture camera. If other companies carry on the same technology, there is no doubt that 2019 will be a great year for the smartphone photographers. Last year, we were introduced to the notch. We have seen the standard notch, bottom notch and the teardrop notch. This year, that will change. Towards the end of 2018, we have seen Samsung unveil the lineup of their smartphones with punch hole. Recently, they have launched Galaxy A8s. We even saw companies like Honor coming up with the same system. Similarly, more companies will be using the same technology. Slowly, the notches will fade away and it will be replaced by the punch hole. We have been hearing about the foldable devices for the past few years. Now it has become a reality. Recently, a company called Royal has launched world's first foldable smartphone called Royal FluxPi. Samsung has also introduced its prototype for the first foldable smartphone. These are some of the things that we think will be introduced into the smartphone industry. Well, the smartphone world is constantly changing and we are expecting more introductions into the smartphone technology. Hope you guys have liked this video. Click on the thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon to get instantly notified. This is Akshay from TechDome signing off.